So, you've heard of investors making huge returns in Bali's real estate market, but you don't know how to find these hidden gems. In this video, I'm going to show you the secrets to finding properties that can double or even triple your investment. I'm Alan with dreambalihomes.com. I've been a real estate broker since 2005 and helped hundreds of families into new homes. So let's get started on our investment adventure. First, when it comes to investing in real estate in Bali, many people think they know what to look for. Beachfront villas, trendy cafes, or luxury resorts might be the first things that come to mind. But what if I told you that there are hidden gems scattered throughout the island that have the potential to bring in maximum profits? One of the biggest challenges investors face when looking for profitable properties in Bali is the sheer number of options out there. With so many developments and projects popping up left and right, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and invest in something that might not actually bring in a significant return. Another major hurdle is competition. Everyone wants a piece of the Bali pie, and it can be tough to find a property that hasn't already been snatched up by someone else. And let's not forget about saturation. Certain areas of Bali are simply overdeveloped, making it hard to find a property that stands out from the crowd. Finally, there's the issue of misinformation, or sometimes a complete lack of information altogether. Without the right knowledge and resources, it's easy to get stuck with a property that doesn't live up to its promises. So how do you cut through the noise and find those hidden gems that have the potential to bring in maximum profits? One key thing to look for is undervalued areas that are poised for growth. These might be neighborhoods that are up and coming, or areas that have been overlooked by other investors. Another strategy is to look for properties that are a little unconventional, maybe a rice field or a plot of land that hasn't been developed yet. These types of properties often require a bit more creativity and vision, but they can also bring in big returns if done right. You might also consider looking for properties that are being sold by motivated sellers, or those who are willing to negotiate on price. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as a change in circumstances or a need for quick cash. One type of hidden gem property that's really caught my attention is boutique hotels. These are properties that offer a unique and intimate experience for guests, and they can be incredibly profitable if done right. Another type of hidden gem is vacant land in up-and-coming areas. This could be a plot of land in a neighborhood that's about to take off, or a piece of property that's been overlooked by other investors. There are also opportunities to be found in renovation projects, or properties that need a bit of TLC to reach their full potential. And finally, there are the hidden gems that are already generating income, but might need a bit of creative thinking to maximize their potential. Let me tell you about a specific case study that really drives this point home. I know an investor who found a small family-run hotel in a relatively unknown area of Bali. The property was undervalued and needed some renovation work, but the investor saw the potential and decided to take the plunge. After putting in some elbow grease and creativity, they were able to increase the property's value by a staggering amount, and it's now generating a significant income. This is just one example of how finding a hidden gem property in Bali can bring in maximum profits. So what's the takeaway from all of this? The key to finding hidden gem properties in Bali is to think outside the box, do your research, and be willing to take a calculated risk. By looking for undervalued areas, unconventional properties, and motivated sellers, you can increase your chances of finding a property that will bring in maximum profits. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your take on hidden gem properties in Bali? And if you want to learn more about investing in real estate, be sure to tune in to my next video for more tips and strategies. If you would like a personal consultation, go to dreambalihomes.com. See you on the next one, fellow investors.
dreambalihomes.com, where your Bali dreams come true.